Hi guys, a very warm welcome to my session. Welcome back to my videos. Today is a very important session because today I am going to introduce what is IOQJS. So IOQJS, what is it? A very confusing word. Maybe it's not a word also. We are not able to understand what is IOQJS. Because it is just started. Earlier it was known something else. So the previous generation also not know what is this. So let us start our session from with a couple of slides. So let us start. So guys, we have reached our presentation. So let us start our presentation. So what is IOQJS? Very confusing, but okay. So its full form is Indian Olympiad Qualified in Junior Science. And don't take it easy. It's a very one of the popular test exams in India. So and it has many stages also. Earlier it had 3 stages, but now it has reduced to 2. So okay, I will talk about these stages, explain everything. Just you need to focus. Okay, so the first and second part. The first and second part earlier was known as NSEJS or INJSO. So we have combined these two and made a single one, which is IOQJS. So let us move to the next slide to know more about it. Now our next slide. So let me take a marker okay, let me take a highlighter so that it would be easier, so that I can pointer the things to understand. Okay, now the main thing, why to give this exam, what we will get from it. Okay, you give the exam, what you will get, what are the benefits of this exam? So the first benefits that is improves your mental ability. So it will do your sharpness, increase your sharpness of mind, and of course it consists of aptitude questions and many more. So it will increase your mental ability, focus and confidence. And you are getting such exams in higher classes also, and many exams, because this one is going to help you reach the higher exams. So it's very important to give this exam. So it will increase your knowledge and also your school performance. Obviously, if you study for it so hard and do it well, so you are increasing your school performance also. Yes, and its syllabus is given, and you have to study that syllabus, and this syllabus is according to your class. So you do not worry that you have to learn something that is of higher class or lower class. No, it's of your syllabus. And you cannot give this test if you pass 10th class. You should not pass 10th class. Okay. So the second benefit, it will help in your further exams, I already told. It gives opportunity to appear on national and international exams. So if you do well in this exam, you have the opportunity. Very less students have the opportunity to represent your state or your state or even your country. So it's a very great opportunity. So guys, your fourth point. Okay, the fourth opportunity is the students that are appearing for Science IOQJS will be automatically considered for the International Olympiad of Astronomy Junior. So it's a very great opportunity that if you give one exam and the Astronomy Olympiad, this is for 12th class, and if you give this exam, you automatically selected for that exam. So it's a very great opportunity. So let us move on to the next part. The next part says, what is the eligibility? Who can give this exam? So guys, for this IOQJS 2021, the eligibility criteria for giving the first stage of exam is to be 2006 to 2007. So the second part says that the students should not have passed 10th standard. So you should not pass. You might pass in 9th class, but not past 8th standard. Not past 9th standard and graded to 10th. Now the next thing. What is about the stages, guys? I at the starting told you what are the stages. Now the stages say that stage 1 is IOQ. So from IOQJS, IOQ has been cut and said that IOQ. So it says that it is jointly organized by the Indian Association of Teachers and the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research at BSc, and that. So basically the first stage 1 is the qualifier level and the stage 2 is the OCSC level. So the first level, okay, this first stage, let us see what is the first stage. The first stage says that the exam details stage 1 Indian qualifier, Indian Olympiad qualifier. So this says that the IOQ in each subject. Okay, you are in junior science, guys. As you grow up, there are more tests, and this is your junior science now. So you will get Olympiads for different subjects, for chemistry, physics, and separately. So guys, now it says that held in a single sitting for the examinee. Now it says that the national standard examination NSE, this will replace the standalone NSE of other year. The duration of this part will be 1 hour. Okay, now this stage 1 is also divided into 2 parts. The first part, now guys, I told you there are 3 parts. Yes, I told you. Now I told you there are 3 parts. Now they are the first 2 parts are combined. Now which are the first 2 parts? The first 2 parts were the objective and the subjective paper. The objective for 1 hour and subjective for 2 hours. Now they both have combined and the test has become of 3 hours. As you complete the first 1 hour test, you will get the second one. So, and guys, this exam is not, don't think that this exam would be online. This is a very, very important exam, and this would be at your nearest center. You have to, okay, I have posted the link to register for these exams in the description box. And don't worry guys, I will be updating you step by step, and I will be uploading more videos on such tests. So keep updated of my videos. Now the part 1, okay, part 1 we have read till 1 hour and will consist of multiple choice questions, means one word answers, and you have to choose from 4 options. So it's look like very easy, but when you reach at the center and do the paper, you will then realize what is the exact paper. And its syllabus link also I have given in the description box, so you can see the syllabus, and syllabus nor will be high too high nor less. Evaluation of the second part only, and performance of this part will not play any role in the selection for the next level. So the next level is OCSC. The first is IOQ. This part of IOQ, okay, what does IOQ stand for? Indian Olympiad Qualifier. So this test is for qualifying you in different, okay, called national standard examinations in astronomy, biology, and whichever subject you take. But these all subjects are not available. All subjects are not available to you in a small age. But you can Google it and see, okay, which test can be applied by you. So today we are talking about IOQ JS. So this you can apply when if you are born in 2006 or 2007, but you should not have passed. You should not have passed 10th standard. Okay, the second slide. Now, the second slide. The second slide is part 2. Now, the part 2 says that it is the INO, International Olympiad. This will replace the standalone INO of other years. The duration of this part will be 2 hours. Okay, so it is of 2 hours. So I said, guys, this is the subjective part, that is the objective part. This is the going still stage 1 only. Stage 2 has not come. Stage 1A, the first stage was IOQ, Indian Olympiad Qualifier. So this is the first stage only, and the second part is subjective, so it would be of 2 hours, and this part will be evaluated only for students screened through the first part, NSE. Okay, so you have to give the first part, it's necessary. And the selection for the OCSC will be determined solely by the performance. So you have to give a better performance. And the part of IOQ in different subjects will be called Indian National Olympiads in astronomy. So the main, I told you that you would be automatically selected for INO. Now, and the whichever subject you take. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. Now comes your online. Okay, so the stage 2 OC, it was just a second. Okay, it was OCSC. So you this is not material to be described, but it's, you know that this is a test, and this would be of about 4 hours. So you have to greatly prepare for that. Now the main thing is for enrollment. So what you have to do for enrollment? Now, I told you already that I have provided the link to you in the description box for enrolling. But what is the date, when it is started, when do we have to do? So that let us see. Now, the online enrollment, okay, for IOQ is expected to start on, okay, this 15 October has gone. The enrollment has already started. Now you have to enroll. So after seeing my series, quickly go and just buy. And okay, I will tell you it forward. Okay, exam schedule. Okay, exam schedule. So it would be happened in 2020 also, but it was just postponed. Okay, Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Junior Science, IOQJS, that we are discussing today. January 17, 2021. So you don't have much time, and also you do not have much time to enroll also. Okay, let us see it in the next slide. So your exam would be on 17 January 2021, not online. You have to go to the center, and okay, let us study that in the next. Okay, what is the fees? Fees का क्या हुआ? So if we talk about the fees, okay, each subject you take, okay, they are in maths also, you can take in maths also, which is called PRMO, but you are eligible to do that till 12th class. So don't worry, first focus on this, because the maths exam is also the same date. But okay, so if you take the maths exam, you have to study for both. So you can give the maths exam next year after, okay, if you are 9, because in this we are talking about 9th standard of 2006 2007. So you are you can do that. Okay, so the number of students seeing this session are mostly of 2006 to 2007 only born. So because what is the need of seeing this session if you are not born in 2006 to 2007? So what about fees? It's 200 rupees, 230 rupees generally, but it can be cheaper at some areas. So the link I provided there is rupees 200, and the center will charge rupees 20. So fees I have told it's very cheaper, because of if the term comes of study, you should not see the rupees. You should just pay off, and it's cheaper, guys. It's an opportunity to, and guys, if you grow if your growth is higher and you are in higher class, so you should give test after test, because this is only the class that decides your career. So okay, let's move on next session. Okay, next slide. Now this is your enrollment was started on 1 November and it is open till 27 November, so not much time has left. Quickly see and how it is done. So after my session, quickly go and click on that website and see what is it. You will realize that. And don't think about Corona and COVID-19, because till that time maybe that situation had become better. And guys, don't miss the chance. I am again telling you, don't miss the chance. Let it be Corona. People are 10th standard students are going to give their papers. So how are we? How can we step back? So go and register for it, and not only register, there are 3 steps. So see that. Now, so this is our end. But I will I will request you to go and register for that. I am not getting anything that you register for that, but I need all my dear friends and all my dear students to give this exam and perform better. Don't think that this syllabus would I had to study this syllabus also, and the syllabus provided by school also. Guys, it would be easier because it is a syllabus that of your syllabus only. So you can do it quickly, but the thing is that you have to solve the most difficult questions also, because it is a very difficult question and the question will be very googly. So you have to take care of everything, and there are available so many exam papers of previous years. See that what is in it. So thank you guys for watching my video. I will soon be uploading more videos and more videos and more videos on such things, on such exams. So don't worry that you miss any exam, because I am here to help you. Any doubt, email me at my Gmail. Okay, let me write my Gmail here. Okay, let me use a pen. So if you don't understand my writing, because my writing is not so good, so if you don't understand my writing, you can just listen my words. Okay, so what is it? So it is, and it is given at my Gmail ID also. You or at my YouTube channel also. So you can go into the description and take from there also. But I am telling here also. So it is M A K one more K and A and R Makar Saksham S-A. So Saksham you write on your own, SAKSHAM, and then after that 232 @gmail.com. Not too tough. Any doubt, anything, mail me. And if you have any complaint, any feedback, give me at my email. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you want any session that of your choice, you want me to make a video on that, I will do that. I want my students to just top in their exams. So any doubt, anything, you can ask me here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and get updated of my videos.